Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I thought we'd mix things up in the lunch department, and today I decided to go buy pork and use its fat for my pancakes. That's right, yeah. First thing first was to chop Mr. Pepper Pig, then throw him into the pan and let him fry there until golden brown. Then I filtered my oil, blended my flour, and decided to make some golden brown pancakes. I didn't use butter today, so I used the pork fat. Is it pork oil or pork fat? Yeah, I used that one, and the result was amazing. It slapped like crazy. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching and enjoy. Have a great weekend. See you next video.